You know what? I'm just gonna say to Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher May Tiburcio, like I said before, I made this in my YouTube blog that your idol, Ferdinand Marcos Sr., is the greatest robbery of the government. I discussed that in my YouTube blog. Oh, I discussed that. You know, some of anti-Marcos who were watching my videos, who were believe it was right. You know, Teacher May Tiburcio, and your mother, who were Marcos loyalists, have both of you shame of yourselves that your idol, Bongbong Marcos, is really corrupt. Take a look, Teacher May Tiburcio. Your idol, Bongbong Marcos, is very corrupt. Very corrupt. That Bongbong MC Marcos Jr., very corrupt. According by Zaldi Gio Malanaco, or Zaldico, Zaldico says that money and the transfer, it was Bongbong Marcos involved. It was Bongbong MC Marcos Jr. and Martin Lassie Marquez Romualdez are involved. Because I know Martin Romualdez and Bongbong Marcos are involved. Like I say to you, to all of idiots of CDIFI teachers and staff, I did not include Ate Rona, I did not include Teacher Joy, I do not. Even I include Ate Dina Guillermo, I'm included Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Teacher Evelyn Caja, Ate Mel Canete, and even Ate Dina Guillermo, I include Teacher Evelyn Caja, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, including Teacher Jonalyn Bactad. Is this what all of you like? To praise the corrupt president of the Philippines? You see, the Iglesia ni Cristo are saying the transparent and the fixing our government is to fix our government of the Philippines. That's what we are doing to show our Filipinos to fight against corruption. Now you see, Teacher May Tiburcio. Now you see, you don't know about corruption. You and your stupid nephew, Rafael, is a Marcos loyalist. You don't know a corruption. At least Teacher Joy, my teacher there, in CDIFI, Teacher Joy is a Duterte supporter. She show the Duterte legacy to fight against corruption. You remember Noynoy Aquino? When I was told by Mang Rodelio Daguman, Noynoy Aquino, who's saying, walang corrupt, walang mahirap. That's what he has to do a slogan when he was still a president of the Philippines. And what does Noynoy Aquino imprison? He imprisoned Bong Revilla. He imprisoned Jinggoy Estrada. He imprisoned Juan Ponce Enrile. He imprisoned Janet Lim Napoles during the pork barrel scam. But Bongbong Marcos, why he not being imprisoned? Wala po si Bongbong Marcos. You know, this is what I'm saying to you, Teacher May Tiburcio. I want to read you something. You're just like Claire Castro. Claire May Tiburcio Castro. What I'm saying, that that Bongbong MC Marcos Jr. is the convicted of pork barrel scam during the time of Janet Lim Napoles. Oh, is this what you like, to idolize the Marcoses, to be corrupt, to be irrelevant, is to be makes Filipinos to be tanga, bobo? Is this what you like, to be a Filipinos? We call it irrelevant, irrational, and even defiant and resilient. Is this what you like? Oh, like I said before, like I said, me, like what I said before, masakit kasi pag may reflection. This is the lesson to Teacher May Tiburcio and Kuya Kopio. Enough about Marcoses. Let's change the Philippines to be a transparent democracy, to fight against corruption.